and take some measurements. This one I think is ideal. I made this for this church. I'm going to make another one for a different church. But it is 32 inches tall. See that 2x4 right there? It's 32 inches long. Those are 1 inch by 6 inch rough cut treated boards. And it's held together with hinges. They're just joined together with hinges. These hinges are 3.5 inches tall, and the total width, both sides, is 3.5 inches. That worked good because they screwed right into the 2x4s. So I went and got the wood yesterday, laid it out so it could dry out its treated wood. Today I started measuring them, and some of them are exactly 8 feet, some of them are 8 feet and 1/2 inch. So I just thought I would find boards that were the same length, and that way I wouldn't even have to cut them. These 4 boards right here are exactly 8 feet, so I'm just going to make a panel with them, and I'll be on my way. I'm using what they call 5/4, which is 1 inch boards by 6 inches wide. They're pretty smooth, they'll be nice. So I've been making pretty good progress on this. I have 1, 2, 3, 5 panels done. I'm going to hook them together with the hinges. I won't be getting those until Saturday. I ordered them from Amazon. It's 97 degrees out here. Do I look hot? I'm hot. Every day I've been flipping over the wood, let it dry out evenly. I've still been using the strategy where I pick boards that are the same length, you know, like 8.5 inches, 8 feet 1/2 inches, or 8 feet to make each panel. Oh, I don't have to saw the boards. So these are the hinges. They're door hinges. I ordered them from Amazon, got them pretty cheap. Actually got used ones. They're not really used, I guess they're returned. But I just mount them on like this. Good thing about these hinges is you can take out this pin, and then you can open up the GaGa ball pit in case you want to get a mower in here or something. But we usually don't do that. We just weed eat it. But you can. It's cool. And I just kind of line up I leave the pin part right in the middle. How it works. And I'll just pull that other panel over here and screw that in, put one down here. So I'll have 2 hinges on there. I think I'm just putting 2 screws in per side. Okay, so there it is, all completed. Now we just got to play in it. I'm missing a board, I got to replace it.